So morning guys, just a quick channel update today, so the video won't be too long. Just wanted to show you the new addition to the channel really. I went out and I bought myself a recovery truck. I've done this because I was paying for people to collect cars and deliver them for me, and I want to put a lot more time and effort into the channel this year and buy a lot more vehicles, so I thought there's no point keep paying other people. I might as well buy a vehicle, and then in the long run it's going to save. I can go and collect the vehicles myself now. So this is the one I went for. Yes, it's French, but it has got the 3 litre engine in it, so it's got the better engine, 160 horse. The thing absolutely flies, to be honest with you. It's got a brand new bed on the back of it, because it was a drop side originally. So the guys put a brand new bed on it. Carter and commercials, no idea who they are, but it's Alley, so it's nice and lightweight. You can tell it's literally brand new. The guy has used it a little bit, but not a lot. It's got nice long ramps, so shouldn't be too much issue getting anything on there. But I could always put a bit of something under the end of them if it is too steep. The ramps tuck away nicely under there with the locks on to try and stop people robbing them. Sorry, it is a little bit windy. I hope the sound's coming through okay. It did come with a set of 4 straps as well, so they're under there. Unfortunately it's not got a winch on it, so I'm going to have to purchase a winch off eBay. It won't be anything fancy, but you can pick them up for less than £300 brand new with wireless remotes, so I'm not too fussed about that. Can sort that out. The inside, well, it's typical French, I'm afraid. It's all falling apart. But it is 9-year-old. That's the bonnet release, but looks like it should just screw straight back in, unless, oh no, maybe, I don't know, whatever. Not really had a look through it, anything in there. So yeah, it's done a bit of miles. It's done 240 something. So 248. Bit of a cigarette burn. I don't smoke, by the way. So yeah, it's not perfect, but for what there is out there, they're decent money recovery trucks. The engine in this feels absolutely solid. Like I said, it's not perfect. It needs an engine mount. You can feel the engine rocking around like hell. So that's actually what I'm going to do today. Sounds like it might need some pads on the front. Anything else? One of the headlights won't adjust on the leveler on here, so I need to look at that. But it's pretty much ready to go. Hello. Yeah, it's pretty much ready to go. Nice 6-speed box, revs nice and low on the motorway. I brought it back from Preston, and it's average 30. I know it's got no weight on it, but it's not bad really. I'm reasonably happy with it. So, decent tyres all round. Yeah, it's not going to win no show and shine competitions, but it'll do, especially for a first one. I might be able to get something a bit newer and nicer towards the end of the year maybe. But anyway, the reason why I've got this, especially in between Christmas and New Year, is because I've actually bought another vehicle. It isn't anything fancy. It's literally just going to be a quick little, flip, try and make a bit of money out of it. And I'm collecting that on Monday. Now, you're welcome to have a guess what vehicle it is. I'll give you a couple of clues. It's a small hatchback. I won't say the year, but I will say they've made them for a hell of a long time in different forms. A very long time. That's about it. That's all I'm going to tell you. It's a 2010. So have a guess. I'm going to get this in the garage now. Have a look at this, try and find out which engine mount it is. I'm pretty sure it's the rear one. I'm going to get it swapped out, so then it's a bit of a nicer drive for Monday. when I collect the car. Right, I've had it in the garage. The lower and upper gearbox mounts are absolutely shot. That's what's making, giving the vibration in the engine. And I can't get them until Monday, unfortunately. So it's not the end of the world. I'm going to go up and get that car first on Monday, and then probably sort them engine mounts out on Tuesday. I did have a good look around the van though. It's got 3 pretty much new tyres on. One does need replacing very soon, but all the brakes literally look like new. The discs haven't got any lip on. The pads are full. That doesn't look like they've been worn at all. So I think this van's probably been sat around for a bit really. It's not been used much recently. It definitely needs an oil service. The oil's a bit gunky. Other than that, it's pretty much ready to go. So I'm pretty happy with it really. It pulls like an absolute train. It's got some serious go. Obviously there's not a lot of weight in it as it is. And with the supposed 160 horse, I think it is, it's a rocket ship. So yeah, Monday I'm going to go up and get that car. Like I said, have a guess in the comments, see if you can guess what it is. It'll only be a little project, there's not much damage on it, but it should be a quick and easy car to flip and maybe make a little bit of money out of. I've got one more video to do on the Audi A3. It's finished. It'll be up for sale next week. So it's just like a little bit of a price breakdown of exactly where we're up to with it really. I'm also on the hunt for a unit, so I don't have to keep disturbing my brother. I went to have a look at one over the weekend. It's not ready to be rented out yet, so I need to have a chat with that guy and see how long it's going to take. So I need something like pretty much now. So if it's going to take too long to sort out, I might have to look somewhere else. Other than that, I think that's about it. It was only a little quick video. I think buying a recovery truck shows that I'm dedicated to this channel and doing this as a permanent thing. This next year. So look forward to a lot more videos on the channel, a lot more consistent. Thanks for over 100 subscribers now, which is amazing. Really happy with that. Don't forget to like these videos. It helps a lot with the YouTube algorithm. If you like the videos, and if anyone tell people about the channel. Anything, every single person helps. Hope you're enjoying all the videos I put up, and so yeah, look out on Monday for the new car video coming up. Smash that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, and it'll tell you when the new video's up as well. So yeah, I'll see you on Monday. Cheers.